Good morning. My normal usual routine. This is all the birds. They're coming so close to me, eating the bread. Sometimes the day getting so nice, so good. In the morning, sometimes some people annoy you, irritate you so much. I couldn't understand the people anymore. I think they're lost in the world anymore. Everyone just changed their faces and running here, running there. No direction. I don't know. I think the birds knows anyway. When you throw the bread, they knew that there's food, they all fly coming to you. That's all that I knew. Such a cruel, cruel world at this time. Nobody cares for each other anymore. Everybody just cares for each other. Everybody just care for themselves. Sorry. Look at the birds. You only seldom see them. Not seldom, but every day I'm here in the morning in Taman, Tasik Community Park, and whenever you throw the bread, they are flying coming to you. Anyone could highlight me about human beings' ways, because I'm really. I think I just better prepare to just care for myself other than caring for other. Because if I care for other, it hurts me more than how I hurt myself if I take care of myself. Have a good day, folks. Have a beautiful day, everyone. Good morning here in Malaysia. See, they're having fun eating the food. Okay. Have a beautiful day and good day, everyone. Have a blessed day. Far away ahead. 24 hours on the clock today. And that's it for me. Thank you.